In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance videos in Microsoft Edge. This process is quick and easy, yet a great way to optimize your video viewing experience. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you first need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure you've got it up on your screen. It's important that you're working with the latest version of the browser, as this ensures you have access to all the latest features and settings. Once you have Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice three horizontal dots lined up vertically. This is what we refer to as the More menu or Options menu. Give that a click. This menu is your gateway to customizing and managing your browser settings and preferences. After clicking on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. You'll find this toward the bottom of the list. Clicking Settings will open a new tab, giving you a more comprehensive view of what you can adjust in your browser. On this new settings page, look to the left pane of the screen. You'll see a series of categories here that group different settings together. You'll need to click on System and Performance, which is usually toward the bottom. This section is dedicated to optimizing how Edge runs and interacts with your system. So it's where you'll find options that affect browser speed and how it handles resources. Now, within the System and Performance section, find the option labeled System. Click on that to expand more options related to how Edge handles operations on your computer. As you browse through these settings, look for an option titled Enhance Videos. This feature is designed to enhance your overall video streaming quality, giving you a better watching experience by refining how videos are displayed. Next to Enhance Videos, there will be a toggle switch on the right side. If it's turned off, simply click it to turn it on. A blue indicator or an on position usually suggests that it's enabled. With this feature activated, your viewing experience should improve, especially when watching content online. Keep in mind that while turning on this feature shouldn't impact your system's performance significantly, it's good to be mindful if you have many applications running or on a device with limited resources. And there you have it. Your videos should now benefit from enhanced quality in the Microsoft Edge browser. Remember, you can always return to these settings and toggle the option off if you need to, or further adjust other settings to suit your preferences. Thanks for watching.